Hello, dear friends. The topic for today is a hip circle, one of the easiest movements in this basis, which can be used in many variations. So, slide a hip to the side, keeping your upper part of the body isolated. Then move it front, slide to the other side, then move back. When we unite these 4 points, we get a circle, big circle. It's not like pelvic circle, this one is much easier. Coming back to variations. You can use a hip circle with changing of direction. Twists, turns, doing a circle, standing on one leg, with heel accents, with a different speed of the movement, with different level of bending the upper part of the body, pushes, and so on. What is important? Keep legs together, no matter how far they are. Actually, they shouldn't be extremely far, just in comfortable pose. Legs, like 2 magnets, should aim for each other and keep feet out. You've already learned quite many movements. Try to combine them with hip circles, rotations, hagala step, scooping horse movement, undulations, pelvic circle, waves of arms, pushes. If you have questions, please write in the comments below. I will be glad to help you.